Try it.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Hey, you know what letter comes after I?
J!
Right. And whenever I think of the letter J, I think of all my friends whose names begin with the letter J, like J. Joe, wearing jeans. Got himself a pocket full of jelly beans. J. Joe jeans and his jelly beans. Hey, let's sing a song about J.
Hey, you know, I got a friend whose name begins with J, too.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah, let me tell you about her. J. Jane, jumping down the lane, joking and a jiving, well, it's just like Jane. J. Jane, jumping Jane. J. Joe jeans and his jelly beans. Hey, let's sing a song about J.
Hey, you know what, fellas?
What's that?
I got a J friend, too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Tell us about him.
J. Jim, he's tall and slim. He's got a jar of jam. Let's join with him.
J. Jim, let's join with Jim. J. Jane, well, let's jump with Jane. J. Joe jeans and his jelly beans. Hey, let's sing a song about J.
Hey, I have one, too, my friend Jones.
Tell us about it.
Okay, here goes. Yes, sir. J. Jones, jawing on the phone. Hear a jingle, hear a jangle. Well, it's just for Joan.
J. Joan, yeah, jingle, jangle, Joan. J. Jim, let's join with Jim. J. Jane, well, let's jump